Today, we will show you the top 7 amazing car inventions that are actually useful. So if you want to upgrade your car or simply want to stay updated about the latest car innovations, watch the video to the end. Before we begin, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos. 7. GMC Hummer EV. Do you find it hard to park in small spaces or make tight turns? Then you might be interested in learning about the crab walk, which is a unique feature of the latest GMC Hummer EV. You can move diagonally while facing forward. It works because it has a steering system with 4 wheels that lets you move sideways at an angle. This lets the back wheels turn with or against the front wheels by up to 10 degrees. This feature is great not only for parking and making turns around corners, but also for off-roading. 6. Michelin Uptis. The Michelin Uptis is a new type of tire that doesn't need air. It's called the unique tire system that can't get punctured, or UPTIS. This new tire is less likely to get a puncture or other road hazard. You'll feel safer on the road as a result. These tires don't have air in them. They're connected and 3D printed, and they're 100% sustainable. 5. UniUte Slide Tray. Own a heavy-duty truck? Why not transform its bed into a rugged sliding tray? The UniUte Slide Tray is a great invention that turns your truck bed into a smooth sliding platform. To use the sliding tray and get to the things in your truck bed, just press and pull on the ergonomic handle. The UniUte Slide Tray is made of strong aluminum that can evenly distribute up to 300 kilograms of weight. This makes it perfect for moving heavy tools and equipment, as well as groceries and sports gear. So you no longer have to crawl around or bend over to reach heavy cargo or tools. 4. RazerLift. The RazerLift is a device that helps you load and organize cargo in your vehicle, similar to the UniUte Slide Tray. However, the RazerLift is designed specifically for vans and other taller vehicles. It makes things safer and easier to use and less likely to hurt people. This great invention has a mechanism that works on its own and can be controlled by a remote. With a 150-pound lifting capacity per side, you can safely load and unload your cargo. So if you're looking for an easy way to manage your cargo, the RazerLift is a great option. 3. Robson Drive System. The Robson Drive System can be added to trucks, tractors, and other off-road vehicles to create an all-wheel drive. This very useful invention sits between the rear lift axle and the axle that drives the car. It's a special cog drive system that helps make an all-wheel drive that is easier to use. It is said that this roller mechanism can handle speeds of up to 120 km/h. 2. Socorro A500. The Socorro A500 is a great invention for those who want to go on adventures, but don't want to leave their bike behind. This platform makes it easy to move bicycles, motorcycles, wheelchairs, and scooters. You can choose from different models based on what you want. The model at the top of the line can hold up to 330 pounds. One of its best features is that it can be moved forward to give you access to the back door of your car. The platform is coated and textured so that it doesn't slip. Locks for the mounting straps, a wheel stop, and a ramp make it easy to get your bike on and off the platform. 1. TruckMate. The TruckMate is an incredibly useful tool for anyone who owns a truck and likes to do DIY projects, or for anyone whose job requires them to carry things like mulch, stones, or topsoil. It can quickly and easily dump these things right into a wheelbarrow, or you can take the conveyor off the tarp roller and dump the stuff right onto the ground. It can be attached to the hitch of any pickup truck without any changes, and there is a button on each side that lets you load a wheelbarrow quickly and with little effort in a matter of seconds. So now you can finish some of the hardest jobs quickly and easily with the help of the TruckMate. That's all for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to hear more videos from our channel, subscribe and make sure to turn on the bell icon.